Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
WordPress allows you to set different general options for the WordPress site. To configure these general settings, click the Settings button in the navigation bar of the WordPress admin panel to display the General Settings page to the right. This page contains options for changing the general settings for your entire site. The fields on this screen also determine some of the basics of your site setup. Type the name for your website into the site title field. Most themes display the site title at the top of every page, in the title bar of the browser, and as the identifying name for syndicated fields. Type the site tagline or site motto into the tagline field. This is the line that will appear after the title. Most themes display the tagline. This should be short and concise and give a general idea of what your website is about. The WordPress address URL, site address URL, and email address fields should already be set up, as this is information that is required in order to set up WordPress. You will probably not need to change these settings. The URL fields are most often the same, but you can change the site address URL if needed. The site address can be different if you want the site homepage to be different from the directory into which you installed WordPress. The email address field is the default email address to use for administrative purposes on the site. To allow site visitors to register themselves as users on your site, check the Anyone Can Register checkbox next to the membership label. Then use the New User Default Role drop-down to select the default role to assign to new users when they register as members on the site. You can choose either subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator. You can choose a time zone for your site by selecting one from the Time Zone drop-down. UTC means Coordinated Universal Time, and you can use the UTC time zone drop-down to choose a city that's in the same time zone as you. To choose a date format for your website, select the desired option button choice in the Date Format section. To choose a time format for your site, simply select an option button choice in the Time Format section. Finally, use the Week Starts On drop-down to select on which day the week starts. After you've finished changing your general settings, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the General Settings page to save your general settings.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.